Hey everyone, welcome back to 44 Tech Zone. Today, we're diving into the stylish side of the OnePlus 12. Not only does this phone deliver top-notch performance, but it also catches eyes with its stunning design and color options. Let's start with the color variants. The OnePlus 12 is available in 3 chic colors: green, black, and white. Each color brings its own charm and personality to the table, catering to different style preferences. The green variant of the OnePlus 12 exudes vibrant energy. It's perfect for those who want their phone to reflect a lively and energetic vibe, making a bold statement wherever you go. Moving on to the black variant, it offers classic elegance and sophistication. This timeless color choice adds a touch of refinement to your device, perfect for those who appreciate understated luxury. Lastly, the white variant of the OnePlus 12 boasts a clean and modern look. It's ideal for users who prefer a minimalist aesthetic that's both sleek and stylish, blending seamlessly with any outfit or environment. In conclusion, the OnePlus 12's color variants cater to a wide range of tastes, from vibrant and energetic to classic and elegant. No matter your style preference, there's a OnePlus 12 color option that suits you perfectly.